What's up, guys? Back at you here with GoodVibes Fam. Alright, working on another build series here. Parking lot build series. I think it's either 3, 4. Can't remember. Anyways, we're back here in the parking lot. See, as you can see, let me flip you around here. Down here at a truck stop. A gorgeous view. Alright, what we're doing today, I'll get you turned around here. Hopefully there's enough light, but is we're going to enclose the bottom portion of this across here. What I want to do is I'm going to take this brick stuff right here, like we got, let me back it up here, like we got up here on the cabinet, and we're going to put it down here. And I'm going to cut a door out somewhere in this area here, just wide enough for this right here, because this is on rollers, to come out. And I'll be putting some more of that stuff, donating it to get it out of here. That's just too big to be put in cabinets. But that's the project for today. I got my measurements out. Basically, what I got here is going to be like this. That way, to cover over the fender well here, put a door here, like so. I'm not entirely sure how much, but I'll probably close off over here like this, because as you can see, that's where our diesel heater's at. And we like it to run out from under here. Closing off the bed to help keep some of that cool wind under the bed, because no matter what, you can't seal the back doors. Clean up some of that good trash. So, stick around, this should be fun. Nothing else, something to do, build on series. All right, guys, we'll be back at you here in just a little bit. Let's go get some measurements done and start cutting. All right, let's see if I can get situated here. Maybe you can see. But basically, that's about how it's going to look. Dexter's none too happy about it. What you doing, buddy? You gonna help me build a door? You wanna help me build a door? He's like, nah, I just want to sleep. Leave me alone. All right. So it fits in there pretty good. I'll have to cut out a piece for over there. Run the wires correctly, of course. And just a small piece over here. I'm not entirely certain how I'm going to do over here, but I think that looks pretty good. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm all ears, baby. Alright, let me get some stuff and get some measurements, and we'll get to cutting. I should be able to get by with 12 1/4 high, because I got to bring out a little block on the bed. So, let's just... All right. Let's see how this does. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that should work pretty good, I think. Oh yeah, that comes out pretty good. Perfect size, good fit. Just a hair out of square, I see. That's all right. Got the door here. Put some hinges on that. I think it looks pretty neat. I ain't seen a lot of folks with Fox brick walls in their van. Oh yeah. I know it's a mess, but not too bad. All right, let me get the screws and hinges and let's put it in place. Oops. As you can see, I already installed the hinges. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but let's see. Probably should have put them on the ear first. Wasn't very smart. All right, I think we got it sorted out here. If I quit doing that, just stripping it out, that ain't gonna work, but yeah, I decided to go ahead and add another hinge. I mean, a locking mechanism, make it look a little bit more symmetrical. And it helps to where it ain't going nowhere. Safety first, right? All right, guys. Thanks for coming along today with this one, our parking lot build. It's coming along pretty good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any cares, concerns, or comments, please leave them below, because I'm definitely open to suggestions, comments of my workmanship. But as you can see, it's coming together pretty good. Next, I think we're going to be doing is building some cabinets across up here. I think that looked pretty good. All right, guys, this is a short one. Hope you enjoyed it. Check us out, some merchandise over at redbubble.com. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Be safe, be good, and always be yourself. All right, y'all, be good.